this video, I'm going to share with you 3 DIY projects, and most of the items I use are from Dollar Tree. So if you want to see how I made these, keep on watching! Hey friends! Welcome back! If you are new, my name is Eileen. Welcome to my channel! Thanks for tuning in, and today is our tada! I will tell you more about later on. So yeah, let's get started. For this DIY, you need this round board from Dollar Tree. I already painted with my linen white chalk paint, and also I have these wooden cutouts. These are also from Dollar Tree. The Bless This Nest was from my previous project. Then I grab my antique wax by Waverly. First, I lightly dry brush it and I dab off the excess on the paper towel, and then I made some darker lines to make this round board like a shiplap faux wood. I also used the wet wipes to remove the excess paint, and I went back again to draw those darker lines. And then I painted the wooden letters with my ink by Waverly. Even though the Bless This is already black, I still give it a nice coat of the black ink. And to attach these wooden letters, I apply some Gorilla Wood glue. And it looks like this. I also grabbed 2 popsicle sticks. I laid it out like this on the board and marked and cut it. Then I sanded the edges to smooth it out, and I also stained the popsicle stick using my antique wax and the wet wipe. And also I will attach the popsicle stick using the Gorilla Wood glue. You can stop right here, but I decided to add some picks. These are the foliage from Dollar Tree. I just wrap it with the twine, and I will also trim the foliage and just hot glue it on the board. And lastly, I decided to add a simple twine or a lace bow, and then you're done with this DIY. You can add twine at the back to hang it, or just lay it against the wall with the picture frame stand like this. So what do you think? I hope you like it. And guys, this video, it's a challenge called the Creating Faith with these talented ladies, and it's hosted by Crafty Lini and DIY with Nadia. We have playlist in the description box below, so don't forget to visit that after you finish my video. And if you are coming from the playlist, hello guys, I hope you are enjoying my video. And yeah, let's proceed to the next DIY. For this DIY, you need this stove burner cover from Dollar Tree. It came in a 2-pack, but you only need the bigger one. Also, you need this Rust-Oleum multi-textured spray paint that I got from Amazon. I spray painted the stove burner cover, and then I marked 1.5 to make lines on the burner cover. Then I laid out the masking tape where I marked 1.5, and I also added another tape in pairs of two with small gaps in between like this. I hope that makes sense. Or just grab your Sharpie and make some lines, because I'm just trying to make a faux shiplap wood by using paint. I used the ink by Waverly. I just dabbed the paint on the gaps like this. Yeah, so you can use the Sharpie or do the same step as I did. It's still the same. Then once the paint is dry, I peeled off the masking tape, and we will be distressing the stove cover with the linen white. And I'm also using the stencil brush. You can use the chippy brush. Yeah, but I love using the stencil brush. And more distressing, and then here I will distress it with my ink black, or the black paint. And also I made some wood knots by twisting the brush, and more distressing until I'm happy with how it looks. And ta-da! This is how it looks like. I really love how it turned out. So what do you think? You can use the decal from Dollar Tree and spray paint it with white, but I use my scan and cut to cut the thankful and blessed. And then I distressed it with my black ink, and then you can stop right here, or add some bow or picks, or incorporate the fall season on this project. Yeah, I stop right here. I just added this rub on from Dollar Tree. I really love how simple it is. So what do you think of this project? I hope you like it. And this is the final look. I really love how it turned out, and I hope you like it too. And for the giveaway, tell me on the comment below what are you thankful for, and you have the chance to win $50 gift card. I will announce it next Friday on my community tab. Yeah, so good luck guys. Again, thanks for the 10,000 subscribers. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Let's proceed to the next DIY. For the last DIY, you need two of these wooden mountain picks and decal from Dollar Tree and a board. I got this at Walmart, 90% off. I spray painted my board with white ultramatte spray paint. You can also use chalk paint to paint it. Then, while the paint is drying, I'll be working on the mountain picks. First, I remove the hook on the back, and then I remove the paper from the front and the tags at the back. Then I laid it out like this and mark it. And I also use my hand saw to cut it. I decided to cut it outside to avoid the dust because it's not the healthiest thing ever. So I just cut it. It was so easy. And then I will be connecting the two mountain peaks together with my Gorilla Glue. And I let it dry outside. Oh, also don't forget to sand the mountain peaks where you cut it. And here it is. It's very sturdy. And then I applied spackle to fix the gap. Then I painted the wooden mountain peaks with my linen white chalk paint. And also don't forget to paint the side of your mountain peaks. Let it dry. And here I am pouring antique wax. I poured two, and one of them I mixed it with black, and I put too much black so I added more antique wax. And then I grab two wet wipes and I started painting the board using the mixture of black and antique wax like this. As you can see, I'm just applying the paint up and down, and look, it's so messy. I'm just playing around and trying to figure it out what to do. And I really don't have a painting skill, so yeah, you can do this too. Don't be scared. Afterward, it looks amazing. And then after the first layer, and I did the same thing. I just do the up and down motion. Then here I will pour another antique wax, and I will add linen white chalk paint to make it more lighter, and that will be our third layer. Then don't forget to paint the side of your mountain peaks. I used the third mixture and I let it dry. This is the first coat and I applied more paint. So this is our second coat. I let the paint dry 90% and then I grab my sandbox to distress the mountains, and I also made some snow cups, and distressing the mountain peaks make it more looks like a real painting or it looks amazing. I really love how it turned out. It blends so good. Yeah, so what do you think? Now we will be working on our board. I'm just applying the paint stick or the masking tape because I will paint the border using my black ink like this. Then I just apply generous amount of Gorilla with glue on our mountain peaks, and it's ready to attach it on our board. For the decal, I tried to stick it as is on the board, but the shiny border doesn't make me happy, so I ended up cutting all the shiny border and it looks better. Then you're done with this DIY. The board have the hook at the back, so if your board doesn't have anything, you can just add some twine so that you can hang it. Then tada! Here's the final look. I can't really pick my favorite. I love all three, but I also wanted to know what you like. So tell me on the comment below, and for the giveaway, don't forget to say what are you thankful for. Yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and see you on my next DIY. Don't forget to visit the playlist. Bye bye guys. Take care and God bless you all.